CJ, you mash up my life. You mash up my life.
Amari, may I tell you this right now? You mash up me eye. You mash up me eye. Amari, a little before you start singing that song there, I know you smell low like thinking breath right now. Amari, your mouth look like it stink. Over the phone. You understand? You know what else look like it stink? The room there. The room that look like it smell like Riverton. The room that look like it smell like my Eric back. The room that look like it smell like some of them girl a weave when them have it in for about 3, 4, 5, 6 months. You understand? You ever smell a girl weave back yet? Think! You understand? And my lad, CJ, for that your real name in general, it sound like your coach telephone run 10 laps and you drop down and dead, my lad. You sound like a fat girl. I'm married to the sound some in general. You understand? You smoke too much grab and G. So I know you try to look sexy, but it not work. I know say go live up the summer right now, I laugh and skin off the teeth them when don't have mama. I'm married. What that, Booba? Come on, man. This is disgusting. Ugh.